Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. Happy Saturday or happy whatever day you're watching this. Hope everybody's doing really well. Starting this video off a little bit late. It is already 4 o'clock. So far I've had a really nice and relaxing Saturday. Had my coffee, you can see here, in bed, and spent the morning reading some books that I wanted to share really quick because they've been helping me a lot. So this one is like a daily meditation book. I have just recently started to get into meditation. Before I thought it was kind of a waste of my time, honestly, because I've been so hyper focused on my time and I'm just trying to relax a little bit, take a deep breath and just enjoy it. So this book has been nice to kind of inch my way into that. This one is called Journey to the Heart. I got it on Amazon and it's super easy to read because every day has like a little, you just read it by the day. So this is like November 17th and this is the passage. And then there's already 2 more days on here. So they're very short, but just nice little passages to read and start your day off with. I've been really enjoying it. And then this book also, I've only read for about 2 days. I know, made a big impact and probably gonna be one of my favorite books. So this is called The Power of Now, again from Amazon. And it's kind of just about bringing yourself into the present, which is something that I have trouble with. Usually I'm mentally living in the future. Not a good practice to have. I'm trying to become more present and just aware, and these 2 books have really been helping me, so I wanted to share them. That's what I'm doing. Just had a relaxing morning, didn't even like look at the clock, which was very nice for me. And now we are kind of starting our day, doing a few errands and just getting some things done, cleaning up, self-care kind of day. So I washed my hair last night, so I'm just gonna take a quick body shower, get ready, and then I think we're gonna hit the town, aka Target, but I'll show you what we get. We don't have a very big like pantry area. We really just have this cabinet, but I've gotten a couple little containers to keep some of the constants like together and be able to stack to use at the full height. So like this is powdered, oh no, see, I'm already getting them mixed up. So like baking soda and baking powder, and then I've always seen like the cute labels, and I do have like the little pens, but I got these on Etsy from Paper and Pear, and they were so cheap. They were like 10 bucks for a whole pantry of labels, and they're supposed to be waterproof, but I don't really want to test that. I'm gonna put them on these. Got a Target order and I accidentally bought 3 of these all pink Starbursts. That's intense. And this is my favorite mouthwash. And it's clear, which is nice because I have this to put it in, and this is like a little cup. So it's nice that it's clear because it would be not very cute. Ended up only going to the grocery store, so I got some random things, but yeah, we're chilling. Not looking cute. I don't think we get any trick-or-treaters, but it'd be kind of foul to just give them pink Starburst even if we did. I put them in this little glass thing. I think this is from the dollar store. Had it for a while. I mean, can we return it to the store?
Yeah, well, yeah. Let's just not open those.
Yeah, let's not open them yet. Cute.
I bet this actually could be good because sometimes I just want like a little
something.
Want something sweet. So
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
These.
Cheers. These are the best. Period. I got another thing to put my labels on.
You think I should run them off?
This isn't the healthiest of Target runs. I also unboxed this from Amazon. I'll probably use my own straws because these are like plasticky and I like glass ones, but these are nice too. But it's a little tumbler, which is great for like my coffee. And it's glass. I like the lid.
Where'd that come?
Came from Amazon.
Oh, that's a water bottle.
Like for my coffee. Alright, we got some other boxes in. Finally, my Nespresso pods are here. I've been struggling. And I also got a new little side table, which I'm very excited about. So let's open these up. Alright, I'm trying out some new ones. A little nervous, a little excited. Alright, so this one is the double espresso. You see that? I usually drink an 8. If you know Nespressos, you know. If not, just don't listen to me. But this is a 6. But it is a double espresso, so I hope it's strong enough. This is the one I usually get. It's really good, but I just kind of wanted to switch it up. I look super pale right now. This one, oh, this one just looked good, honestly. And then I got a little limited edition one because why not? It's 7 fluid ounces, which is a little bit more than I usually like, but I like a big coffee, so it's okay. And it's the pumpkin spice cake. Pumpkin spice cake. Hopefully it is good. Is it heavy so I could carry it up? He goes, no. And then I say, okay, you can just put it down. And he leaves. And I go to put the other packages on top and I go to pick it up and I literally can't pick it up off the ground. But they had already left, so I had to deal with it. And it's very heavy. I almost thought about leaving it at the end of the hallway and coming to get you. Coming to get you and being like, can you go get the package at the end of the... Is that the elevator? I just didn't understand for a second. Alright, here's the wheels.
Wheels? Oh my god, I already know.
What?
It's like, not acrylic, what's that called?
Acrylic?
Is it acrylic? Is that what the clear? That's what it is, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, plastic.
It's not plastic, Dan.
It's literally the definition of acrylic.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. That looks complex.
You put your hand.
But like how hard? It's just wheels, come on.
You give me a screwdriver, I'll do it for you.
Really?
Yeah, but you wanna make a deal? While I'm making chicken parm tonight, I want to watch my game.
I can do it. I'm kidding, yes please. just worked out. I want to link the workout I did below because it was so good. It was like a little home Sarah's Day, who I'm watching, little home workout because I didn't feel like going to the actual gym today. I just kind of wanted to chill and work out from home. So I set up my little yoga mat here and did this little workout on YouTube. So I will link it down below because it was really good. And then we have this book, the One Bottle Cocktail. I want to look in here because today we got a apple cider, like a local New York apple cider, and I want to see if there's like a cocktail that you can do with apple cider. I know I could look it up on Google too if they don't have anything here, but we have this cute little book and I want to see. I put on my little cozy tie-dye set that I made myself months ago, and tie-dyeing was like the one quarantine activity. This book's really cute because they use like the drink, so like vodka, and then they have all these like just vodka drinks because not everyone has like a whole bar, you know. Okay, upon further review, in my One Bottle Cocktail they have a drink that uses like apple juice and star anise, because our apple cider is actually like Honeycrisp apple cider, so it should be really good. So I'm gonna make this one. It says to put it in a little coupe glass, which I have because I love little glasses. I have so much fun with them. Okay, let me get all this stuff. Tequila. This is my favorite tequila. Casamigos Blanco. It says fresh Granny Smith apple juice, but I'm gonna try it with this Honeycrisp cider. And it says it's by this place Red Jacket in New York, which is really cute. So we want to try it. Tequila, apple juice, or cider, honey syrup. Wait, what's honey syrup? An ounce is the big one. Wait, no, 1 ounce.
1.0 is 1.
There's no, I don't know 1.0 is 1.
See?
I know that 1.0 is a 1. Literally the audacity of you reading out. It says 10. I'm not stupid. Oh.
It doesn't say 10. It says 1.0.
It says 1. It says 1 OZ ounce. Okay. Okay, now I need to make this honey syrup, apparently, because I just got myself into something I didn't know. Okay, mix 2 parts honey with 1 part hot water and stir. Get my little honey. This is from CB2. I've had it for a while and I freaking love it. Okay, there's 1. And then this one is a 1/2 ounce. Let's just do like that much lemon. Do you think that'll make a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice? And oh, I'll just put it in. Smart. Apple juice. How much apple juice? 1.5 ounces. Do you feel me? In the peanut gallery. Alright, honey. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Oh, and the honey syrup. If someone would stop talking to me. Alright. And here we go, ladies and gents. It's actually very good. Yeah, I like that. Oh, should I put this in it? Pumpkin pie? No, I think I'll ruin it. I'm doing too much. Oh, but I think it'd be good. Just a little bit.